Okay guys, we're inside now. Okay guys, today I'll be eating this skillet hash. It has eggs, potatoes, and veggies or green leaves, or green leaf vegetables. Okay, let's try out the eggs. Okay, let's try out the potatoes. The potatoes have like a little bit of chewy texture to it at the end, like the edges. Okay, let's try out the green leaf veggies. The bread looks like this. The bread has like this chewy texture to it. Has this grains and on the side that the bread. You have this chewy texture of the grains. Okay guys, I'm trying everything all together now. Good. You have the texture of the potato, the onion, the eggs, and the green leaves at the end. You have this you have all these different types of chewy texture to it. The taste of this dish, it is like the flavors. It tastes like, it's kind of like like, I don't think it's like Bob Evans, but it's like almost like that, and like kind of like Denny's. It's like a little bit of a higher version. This dish is not too dry, which I like about it. They have red peppers, zucchini, baby spinach, and you have this baby spinach at the end. Good.
Go ahead and grab the check bag for you, but I'm here if you need anything.
Can I get like a box?
Yeah, I gotcha.
The dish has like sour cream to it. Good. Delicious. Okay guys, if you guys like this video, like and subscribe for more of my videos. Okay guys, this one is located in Columbus, Ohio. Okay guys, if you guys want more information, it's gonna be down below of this video. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Okay guys, if you guys wanted to try out this dish, putting a link below. This is Creator's Quest. See ya.